Kawasaki ZRX today, doing the No-Flo emission plug kit from Kwick. Well, you have the valve cover off and you're doing the valve shims. If you haven't deleted the emission system already, you should. Unless you need to pass, I don't know, does California have emissions testing? Go to a new state. It's these little holes that let exhaust gas or fresh air into the chamber on D-cell to increase, you know, fuel emission or decrease fuel emissions or whatever. It just pumps fresh air into the exhaust to help burn unspent fuel or whatever. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of that. It's just these little dowel tubes. You'll see. You pull them out with vice grips and Loctite in the new dowels. They're essentially just little dowel pins. And then that's it. And they're plugged off. That and then the block off plates on the valve cover. And you take that octopus out of there, and which is this. And then you're gonna plug the airbox hole. And then if you're getting rid of the airbox and you have pods, you gotta deal with the crankcase breather and other stuff, but whatever. That's a whole bunch of different stuff. Let me zoom in and I'll show you how it looks. So, these are the tubes. Those are the ports where those little tubes are for the emission system. They look like that. They get pressed about halfway in. You grab them with vice grips and you just twist them and pull up. It's not that hard. And then there's the dowel pins. You clean this all out with brake clean. Shake up the Loctite real good. Spread it on the plugs. Just press them in. That's it. That's it. So this is what it looks like when they're still in. They're just sticking up like that. So you just grab them. It's actually like a rolled pin. It's not a tube. It's like it's got a seam. But you just need to grab it, get it moving. Oh, they're totally fucked. I don't know why you'd want to save these, but if you did, I don't know, don't do it like this, I guess. That's it. Just go to the other one back there. Same thing. Grab it. Twist. Out. Done. So if you can, spray some brake cleaner on a Q-tip or something. Just try to clean all the oil out of there so this Loctite sticks. So just try to clean them real good. I need to go back once or twice. You can get quite a bit of grime out of there. It'll help the Loctite stick. And just get it cleaned out. Let me do preliminary cleaning and then go back and get the other ones, or you know, do round 2 on them with a cleaner. Swab, and then that's it. And then just make sure you have a real clean mating surface for that Loctite to grab, and then we'll just squirt it on these dowels and push them in. So when you buy the plugs from Kwick, it comes with this retaining compound. It's Loctite 609. It's not just regular Loctite. But you basically, you put it around the inside of the hole, and you put it around the dowel pin, and then you press it into the head. You know? Just like that. Super easy. And there's when you get them, there's a chamfer on the top. That side goes up. Mine had a bit of a burr on the other side, so I just really lightly filed the burr off of the opposite side. The one side is shitty lighting. But anyway, there's a chamfered end. I can zoom up. So there's a chamfered side. You can kind of see it. Anyway, whatever. There's chamfered side and straight side. Just might have to take some crumbs off of the flat side, and then you just Loctite, push in, and that's it. It's easy as that. Nothing special. Good luck.